This island was installed by Simply the Best Kitchen and Bath on May 2nd, 2018. It had previously existed in the kitchen and we moved it out to allow for the flooring installation, and it was just reinstalled today. It is plumb and level, but we are going to take a closer look and examine a few workmanship issues. These 2x4 stringers were added for stability, but they were attached only with finishing nails, and we can see that not really adding too much, if anything. When the installation was finished, I came to check the work, and this 2x4 right here was about 1/8 of an inch higher than the edge. I pointed it out, so they went ahead and fixed it. You can see they hammered it down a little. If we take a closer look, we can see that the 2x4 was not cut straight. We also see that one of the finish nails was shot in through the top there, came out of the exterior side of the island. We'll take a look at the piece of molding we're going to put there. Doesn't quite cover it. Next issue we have is that the sides are not connected to the ground. If I push the top here, you can see that it clearly rocks. It was attached only by the centers. This side is also not attached.